What exactly is A2 milk? Is it just a marketing gimmick? Let's break it down. Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra. Welcome to eBlosis. Cow's milk contains about 80% casein protein, which is further divided into 4 types: alpha casein, beta casein, gamma casein, and kappa casein. Beta casein itself has 2 forms, A1 and A2. A1 beta casein is primarily found in foreign cow breeds like Holstein, Friesian, and Asia, whereas A2 beta casein is naturally present in Indian desi cows like Ghir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi, Rathi, and Tharparkar. The issue arises with the foreign cow breeds because A1 beta casein breaks down into BCM7, beta-casomorphin 7, during digestion. And studies strongly link BCM7 with digestive issues and gut inflammation. And there is a human evidence supporting this. Some researchers also associate BCM7 with type 1 diabetes, heart disease, and autism, though human evidence for these links is still limited. A2 beta casein found in desi cow milk doesn't break down into BCM7, making it a much better choice for gut health and digestion. So before we dive in, I have something special for you. We are offering a personalized Ayurvedic health report that will uncover your unique body type called Prakriti, your current state of dosha imbalance, which tells us what sort of a disease are going in your body, as well as ama, the toxin level, and much more. So it just takes a few minutes. Simply click the link in the description, fill out a short questionnaire, and get deep insight into your health based upon Ayurveda perspective. And the best part, it's free. So try it today, try it now. So let's go back to A2 milk. Ayurveda considers cow's milk as a satamya and ojas building superfood. According to Ashtanga Hriday, milk is described with following properties. One, the term which is used 5,000 years back for the milk is jivana, which means it's enlivening. Rasayana means it is rejuvenating, anti-aging. You talk about medya. Medya is something which is a brain tonic, improve your intelligence, memory, recollection. Balya. Balya is something which improves your strength and immunity. Stanya, it improves lactation. Sara. Sara is something which is mild, laxative, and improve your bowel movement and promote the movement of liquid in the channel. It reduces the stagnation in the body. It nourishes all 7 tissues in the body. So whether you talk about your rasdhatu, the nutritive plasma, your rakta, the blood, you talk about masa, meda, asthi, majja, all the tissues are nourished by it, and it have all the properties similar to ojas, hence a wonderful elixir which is the essence of immunity, vitality, and radiance. So how A2 milk is better than A1? If we see A2 milk being close to purer and unprocessed form of milk aligns more with Ayurvedic recommendation. We talk about A2 milk, it has sweet and cooling properties, it pacifies Vata and Pitta, it also strengthens the body, improves the immunity, support your digestion. And meanwhile, A1 milk is heavier, harder to digest for some individuals. It can create ama, toxin due to poor digestion, and can trigger inflammation and mucus buildup. In Ayurveda, easily digestible milk is recommended. A2 milk is being naturally aligned with sattvic qualities, is easier on digestion and less likely to cause bloating or discomfort. Many people experience lactose intolerance symptom with A1 milk, whereas A2 milk is gentler and may not trigger such issues. If we talk about protein composition, what is the difference between A2 and A1? A2 milk contains only A2 beta casein, whereas regular milk has a mix of A1 and A2 beta casein. A1 beta casein breaks down into BCM7, as we discussed, the beta-casomorphin 7 in digestion, which has been linked to issues like bloating, inflammation, and even neurological concerns in some individuals. You talk about digestibility and the gut health. Studies suggest that A2 milk is easier to digest and less likely to cause lactose intolerance, like symptoms such as bloating, cramps, and gas formation. You talk about A1 milk, it may trigger gut inflammation and discomfort due to BCM7 peptide. If we see the heart health and the inflammation perspective, some studies link A1 beta casein to higher risk of inflammation and cardiovascular concerns, while A2 milk does not have such effect. So what is the conclusion? So A2 milk is a better option for digestion, gut health, and overall nourishment according to both Ayurveda and modern science. So milk has been consumed since thousands of years as a rejuvenator and tonic. So the problem is not the milk, it's the adulteration, different chemical used in cows to enhance the production of milk, which leads to different issues in the body rather than milk itself. So you talk about regular A1 milk may cause digestive discomfort and is less aligned with Ayurveda principle of wholesomeness and sattvic nutrition. So if choosing milk for long-term health, gut balance, and Ayurvedic nutrition, A2 milk is the ideal choice, especially when sourced from ethically raised, free-grazing indigenous cows. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such insight into holistic health. And if you are ready to take your wellness journey further, click the link in the description to get your free personalized Ayurvedic report. So see you in the next video. Till the time, lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.